The establishment, Osman, movie set is opening its doors for you. It's time to see the living spaces of the characters you've watched on TV with your very own eyes. Dress up and ride a horse like them, and be the hero of this story at the turning point of history. Now, are you ready to witness the establishment of one of the greatest empires in history? Experience wonderful moments in the mystical atmosphere of the Middle Ages. Are you ready to witness the first historical step taken towards justice and freedom? Are you ready to see the magnificent Turkish cities of the Middle Ages? Then we are waiting for you. Maybe you can be one of the Alps next to Osman Bey. Bozdağ Film Studios will be opening on June 24th.